Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Moza Gimbal unboxing and setup video. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, definitely going to film a vlog about it. And whenever I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm going to film a tutorial and put that on the channel too. And when I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture or something TELSA related, I'll film those too. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So one of my major pet peeves with most cell phone gimbals is their size. And they're often one of the first items that gets removed from my gear when I'm packing and I want to save on space or weight. So Moza reached out to me and said that they have the answer, and this is their newest foldable gimbal. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so kind of have a cardboard box. I don't know if there's anything else inside here, like a retail box, but we'll find out. Haha, yes there is. So this is the Moza Mini MX gimbal. And it's a foldable gimbal, so this is going to allow you to fold it up and save a bunch of space when you're packing your gear. So let's get into the box. Wow. So they really did a great job on the form factor of this. You can see it almost fits right into the palm of your hand. So super awesome size. Pretty solid. Like, this is definitely plastic. It's not all metal, but very well built. So first impressions on this guy are great. You have your USB cable, which is a USB-C, so that's awesome. It charges with USB-C. In the side here we have a Mini MX manual, kind of an overview guide. Of course you've got your do not eat, your silica gel. Okay, nothing else really inside there. And then I'm going to assume in here is probably the power brick. So you have a nice case to keep your super small gimbal inside. That's a nice little touch. And then this is the tripod for the gimbal as well. So that's nice to have. So no power brick, but you just plug that into any standard USB socket and it's going to charge this guy up. And there is also a wrist lanyard as well. So you've got your wrist lanyard, you've got your storage bag, you've got your USB-C cable, you've got your tripod, and then you've got the Mini MX foldable gimbal. So the first thing that you want to do is grab your cell phone, head to the App Store and download the Moza Genie app. And once you have that app installed on your phone, it's going to give you full control over your gimbal. So I'm pretty excited to start using this gimbal and test out some of the features in the Moza Genie software. So let's head on out there and see what we can do. Okay, so here we are out on location, just headed to one of my favorite spots to take a hike. We're going to take the Moza Mini MX out and see what kind of footage that we can get. The best part about this gimbal, still, look, it's in my pocket. You literally, it fits in your pocket. Like, that is amazing. So now that we have out the Mini MX, you just basically unfold it and unlock it, and you're in business, we're ready to go. One of the features I definitely wanted to try out on this was the face recognition. In previous gimbals I've had in the past, it's kind of been hard to do when you're by yourself. This gimbal seems to have a face recognition feature that lasts for a few seconds. So you push the button, head on over. I think it sees me now, so this is perfect. If you're filming by yourself, this is absolutely amazing. What a great feature. You definitely want to install the Moza Genie app, and then you have basically a gimbal that's going to follow you around wherever you go. Okay, this is totally awesome. Definitely beats trying to put on the ball cap and get it to find it. Link to that video up here. So I've definitely found my new favorite gimbal. This guy is gonna come with me a lot more places than my previous gimbals ever have, just due to the size factor and the ease of use of the Moza Genie software. So again, a huge thank you to Moza for sending this out for review. So if you want to pick up a Moza Mini MX for yourself, I put a direct link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.